So you're looking for a little privacy from your neighbors, but you don't want to put up a fence. Instead, you'd rather have a green screen or use plants. Well, I got my buddy Justin here from Jersey Landscape Design to explain exactly what the best way to go about doing that is.
Yeah, so basically we got some Leyland Cypresses here. We're gonna be throwing them in the ground. You're supposed to put them 6 feet apart because these trees get really big. These can get to be 20, 30 feet tall, and they grow out wide and they'll grow into each other. And what I like about these is they stay kind of very full at the base, so you're not looking underneath them really. We're basically gonna mark these out with the shovel and then move them aside.
We want to get it so that this right here is just right here, if not even a little lower, so that the water will come in.
Yeah, that's correct, yeah. Just a little bit below the surface.
Just a little bit below the surface.
Yeah, that way we can almost have a place for water to pool around the tree as opposed to leave the base of the tree.
Right, we want the water to come into the tree, not like be away from the tree.
So we got the hole dug to the right height, but the issue is the soil was really bad. A lot of rocks. We were struggling to dig a lot. So we got some new soil with some fertilizer mixed in it. We're gonna put the tree in the hole, and then we're gonna put this around it. That way it can root easily. I think you did dig the hole perfect. I think we just lost the base of the tree a little bit.
You want to make sure that you got about 2 inches around, like circumference of it?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Fill it with fresh soil.
Exactly. When we scratch those roots, you know, now they can grow out.
One thing I can do, it's karate chop.
Yep.
So proud of my karate chops.
Get a little more soil.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. I think maybe you need a little more on the base.
You want to have sprinklers. You want to make sure that your plants are getting plenty of sun and that they have plenty of room to grow and they have good soil to grow in. 2 thumbs up on that.
2 thumbs up.